If your Bank of America account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you understand the process clearly. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account number, any communication from Bank of America about the restriction, and any documentation that supports your case. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service at the number provided on their website or on your bank statements. Explain your situation and ask for clarification on why your account was restricted. Step 3. Submit a written appeal. Prepare a written appeal that outlines your case. Include your account information, a description of the issue, and any supporting documents. Be clear and concise in your explanation. Step 4. Use the online banking platform. Log into your online banking account and look for any options related to account restrictions or appeals. Some issues can be resolved directly through the platform, which may expedite the process. Step 5. Follow-up. After submitting your appeal, follow up with Bank of America if you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe. Keep a record of all communications for future reference. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction and work towards resolving the issue. Good luck!